Hey YouTube, this is Roger, the ex-Bass guy. Just wanted to go over making Arduino projects out of the Uno IC, the at Mega 328 PU, or an AT Tiny IC 85. And I have Lipo charge boards. So for less than $1, you can charge a Lipo. It won't drain the Lipo until it's damaged. It'll shut off, and it'll shut off when it's fully charged. You need resistors, you need wires, you need LEDs, you need on-off switches. So let's get to my last project I made. And these patterns are pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. Starts out with going around with each quarter of the circle has a different color or separate color, and then it goes down and comes back. This simple basic LEDs moving around, changing speeds. And also you want to have LiPo batteries for making projects. Well, most LEDs only have one color. That's interesting. And these aren't RGB LEDs either. If you look at some of my YouTube videos, you'll see the kind of LEDs I'm using. Size, type, everything. While that's running, I'll show you one of my other projects. This is using an AT Tiny 8-legged IC with 5 pins. And it runs off of a small LiPo board that's rechargeable on the back. This is a cool, that one was a random flash, very quick. 74 thousandths of a second makes the LED flash really nice. So try that if you want a flash effect, and you can just randomize which ones light up at a time. So there's a lot of patterns I use, and so I want to show you these boards. So this is a LiPo charging board, and it has 2 holes on the back side near the connector that are for attaching the battery, and it's got 2 solder joints in the middle of the board on the side with a coil that goes to your project to power it, and then you can plug into the micro USB plug. And then I use LiPo batteries. This is 800 milliamp hours, pretty small for that. And so is that. It's the same thing, but it's a little bit bigger, but nicer battery. I charge my AT Tiny ICs with this Arduino Uno board set up to burn the code into them. I also have LiPo charging boards that have the USB, so if I want to plug a USB cable in it to operate it, so I'm not using battery, depending on how small it is and what power needs I have. Also, you need wire. I have multiple wires. This is a wrapping wire. You can strip it with your fingernail, so you don't have to spend a lot of time building. So basically, that's what you do. If I want to change the program after I build it, I use sockets so that I can pull them out and reprogram or fine-tune it after I get it built, see what looks good. So that's pretty much what I do, guys. I want to show you the back side of this. So this is the board, the wiring all underneath, which I build it with a little excess just to make sure it doesn't get too tight. And then I hot glue the battery on top, and then I route the wires to the battery, and the charging board hangs off the edge so I can plug it in. And this is a battery so that I can connect it to anything metal or put a magnet in my shirt pocket and put that on there, or whatever I need to do. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like. There's some awesome fishing videos there too. Thank you very much. Have a good day.